absolutely mind-blowing. I thought, it's somewhere that you hear about Camden, but you have no idea what it's actually like. And it really was a surprise.
I think the variety. I love the museum, the Barbican, Jewish Museum, the hotel, Camden itself. I mean, I'm embarrassed to say that I thought I knew London, but unfortunately I didn't, because I've come here, I've discovered Camden, and I just think it's amazing. My group will love it. The diversity of it, the restaurants, the bars, just buzzy, love it.
Even more so, it's absolutely come together so well. I've had some fantastic feedback. I'm really pleased. Some of them are actually already planning their trips to come back to Camden, which is fantastic. The Jewish Museum was a great addition, last minute addition, but we managed to get there. I'm hoping that a lot of the guys are going to go back to the museum to have a better look round. We went to Camden Lock Market, which was great. Some of the traders, absolutely fantastic, all chipping in for a fantastic lunch yesterday. Obviously London Zoo with feeding the giraffes and the monkeys, which was absolutely fantastic. Nice surprise as well, because I didn't even know that was going to happen. But overall, just such a fantastic couple of days, a fantastic group of people, and I think they really did have a good time. So I'm hoping that they'll be back to London, promoting London, and let's hope we get some good group bookings through.